In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FTMO Trading Journal. Think of the FTMO Trading Journal as your personal performance lab. It lives inside your client area and automatically records every trade you execute. You don't have to copy numbers by hand. Instead, you enrich those records with your own insights. You can add notes, chart screenshots, and even a quick reflection on your emotions, so you're capturing both the data and the decision-making behind it. Why bother journaling at all? Because it shows you what's repeatable. Over time, you'll start to see patterns in your behavior, which strategies consistently pay, and where things go off track. You'll spot strengths you can double down on and weaknesses you can manage or avoid. Many experienced traders credit consistent journaling as a key habit that separates steady growth from stagnation. Getting started is simple. Log into your FTMO client area and open the trading journal under Account Metrics. You'll see an organized list of your executed trades ready for review. This central hub makes it easy to scan activity without exporting or juggling spreadsheets. Open a trade entry and review the automatically captured details: entry and exit price, position size, profit or loss, and your stop loss and take profit levels. Confirm they align with what you intended. If the numbers differ from your plan, that's already a lesson. Small checks like this keep your records clean and your analysis trustworthy. Next, add the context only you can provide. Note your entry strategy in plain language, explain why you exited, and record what you were thinking and feeling. Attach a chart screenshot highlighting your setup and key levels. Keep it brief but specific. Details like time frame, market session, or notable news can be very helpful later. Writing immediately after closing a trade helps you avoid hindsight bias and preserves honest thinking. Use tags to make your journal searchable and powerful. Labels such as breakout, trend trade, news trade, or reversal let you filter results and compare like with like. Keep your tag names consistent and meaningful so you can group trades quickly and pull accurate stats by setup, symbol, or session. Finally, analyze patterns as your journal grows. Look for which strategies deliver the highest expectancy, where recurring mistakes appear, and how your stop-loss and take-profit habits affect outcomes. Use those insights to refine risk management, tighten execution rules, and set focused goals for the next week. Consistency matters more than perfection. A few clear notes per trade and a regular review routine can turn your past trades into a real edge.